Hey, good morning, guys. It's bright and early on Saturday, heading out to the nail salon to get my nails done because they grow so darn fast. I need to get a fill-in. Anyway, wanted to show you what I'm having for breakfast if you haven't already seen it on Instagram because it's early. I made this bagel again, and I like it without the hole because it's just so much easier, and it comes out like bread. And I have Laughing Cow in the middle. It's literally like a piece of bread. Tastes like a bagel. And I've been putting the everything but the bagel seasoning in the batter so it doesn't sprinkle all over the top. I made myself some coffee. I'm going to get my nails done. So today's going to be, I don't know, kind of a quiet day. As you can see, it's raining. It's kind of crappy out. I really don't have much in store as far as plans go. But, yeah, that's what the day is going to be. So it's going to be hit or miss. I apologize that I didn't post last night. I had the longest day with work. I didn't get done till after 9 p.m. I was exhausted, so I hope you guys understand. Yeah, and that's it. So we'll hit the nail salon, and I'll see you afterwards. Okie dokie. So that was fun. Had a nice hand massage. Got the nails done. Went a little dark today. It's called Black Magic, but it's a dark purple. And there's tiny little glitters in there. Look at this cuticle from all of the hand sanitizer. Don't know if you can see. Probably not. But I love this color. I've done this probably a gazillion times over the years. Just in the mood for dark. I don't know. It's like, look at how fall is in the air. Rainy and crappy out. So, all right, I'm heading home. My son is going to pop over and pick up some things I picked up for him and his girlfriend. And I don't know, like I feel like doing something today. I don't know what though. Got jeans on. Jeans in my sweatshirt from Walmart. So many of you said that you were trying to find this on the website. It's by the brand Time and True. So it's like $11, the softest, most comfortable sweatshirt ever. All right, let me get home. I'll see you over there. All right, guys, so I have the day planned out. Brittany and I are gonna run and do some last minute holiday decor shopping per se. We're gonna hit Home Goods, I believe, and there's a brand new Burlington near us, and somebody said to me that they had such great holiday decor out, autumn, Halloween, all that kind of stuff. So we're gonna go check that out. And then we're gonna pull the bins out from our storage room, and we have these big giant Rubbermaid bins, I guess they're called, filled with all of my fall decor. So we're gonna be decorating the house today because it's gloomy and it's kind of like one of those days. So we'll do that together. And in the meantime, it is 3 hours later. It's time for fueling number 2. So I made a bowl of hot mac and cheese. You guys know I love this fueling. I don't know, you guys, a lot of you hate it. I just love it. I know the pesto one is available. I don't like it. I like the original cheddar mac and cheese. There's just something comforting about a bowl of mac and cheese, especially when it's raining. And I can't believe that August is like almost over already. Today's the 29th. It's going to be September. Where's this year going? I mean, I know that it's filled with all kinds of crazy things and our mind is very distracted, but it just seems like this whole year has just been a blur. Do you agree with me, Paisley? I gotta go walk then. But it just seems like this whole year went by so quick. So let me go take Paisley out. Let me eat my mac and cheese. And I guess I could take you into Burlington, right? I don't think that's illegal. So let's try it. All right, we'll see you over at the store. Whew, well, let me tell you what those stores were like. Pandemonium. First of all, forgot to even think that today's Saturday and the stores are crowded and it's raining, so people have nothing else to do but shop. And so we walked in and walked out. It was like we had to wait online forever and we just weren't in the mood. So Britt and I left, came home, Jess pulled out the bins. So we have everything ready to decorate with. Time for another fueling. So I made the chocolate shake and I added a tablespoon of PB2. And I don't know, I'm just so tired right now. I feel like my blood pressure was low. So I had a couple of pickle spears, feeling a little better right now. It happens to me sometimes. Well before all of this, my blood pressure was naturally low. And sometimes when I don't drink enough or get enough sleep or anything like that, my blood pressure drops even more. So I felt it. So I had some pickles and I feel better. I'm gonna try to hydrate myself a little bit and just take a nap. So I will finish my shake, take a little bit of a nap, and then hopefully feel better in a little bit. So I'll see you at the next fueling. Bye, guys. All right, so here's bin number 1. Loaded. So I'm gonna start going through this and let's see what we've got. Well, it's lean and green time, and I decided to do fueling number 4 and 5 together. So I made my recipe for chicken nuggets. If you haven't seen how I do this, please go back and look at my breaded fried chicken recipe. And then I have an arugula salad with just a few little shavings of pecorino romano, fat-free feta. I have some Thousand Island dressing from Walden Farms, and a little plop of sugar-free ketchup. So here it is. This is fueling number 4 and 5 because we've combined the breading and the protein and the lean and green. So this is 2 fuelings all at once. And I don't do this often, but when I do, I make my chicken nuggets. Breaded, fried, and totally on plan. Look at this. Look at this. Yum. Hey guys, so we're at the last fueling of the day, and I made some chocolate pudding earlier and I put it in the refrigerator for about, it's been in there for about 4 hours now, so it's nice and firm and delicious. Now, Optavia website still has these back order. They better come in soon because I'm running out. I am literally rationing my chocolate pudding. It's one of my favorites, and it is such a great fueling 6 because you feel like you ate your lean and green and now it's dessert time. So Optavia, if you're watching, first of all, I'd like to say we love your products, but you need more chocolate pudding, and I have a special request. Make some new fuelings. I'd love to see some new stuff. I'm not saying what we have is not great. It's just, when you're on this for like a year or so, it gets a little boring. I'd love to see some new products. So I challenge you, Optavia. We need some new stuff, right? Leave me a comment below if you're with me on that. This way Optavia will know. All right. So you guys have a great night. If you like this video and want to see more and you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Thumbs up so I know you liked it and I'll continue. And with that, I hope you all have a great night. Stay focused, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.